Hey guys, it's Kevin from JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in their comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price of the watch, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Okay, so today we're going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 28. This is the model number 279383. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. Alright, so jumping right into the dial configuration we currently have for this Datejust is a beautiful silver dial. You can see this sort of sunburst feature that the silver dial has by tilting it against the light there. You can see sort of beams and contrasting of darker finishes with lighter. Besides that, it's a silver dial with diamond hour markers fashioned in 18 karat yellow gold, meaning that it prevents any tarnishing from the settings of the diamonds, and also the hands so the hour and minute hand and the seconds hand are all fashioned at 18 karat yellow gold as well. So very beautiful, very beautiful contrasting of the silver against that gold. We have the standard Datejust architecture, which is the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position, and the date window at the 3 o'clock position with a Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification, easier viewing of that date. Okay, so one thing to mention, as this is a Datejust watch, a Datejust watch is one of the more dressier watches for Rolex. Specifically, this is referred to as the Lady Datejust 28. So this is a woman's watch. Being that it is a dress watch, we do have different configurations if you're not interested in the silver dial. So specifically for the diamond hour markers, it comes in also champagne dial, or a mint green, lavender, or mother of pearl dial. If you're not interested in the diamond hour markers, you think the diamond hour markers around the bezel are enough, and you just want to do something simple, have a little more visibility, so something like the indexed hour markers or even Roman numerals as well, you can only get those in a champagne or silver, with the Roman numerals having an additional white dial as well. So you've got quite a few choices for the configuration of the dial for this watch. Moving on to the bezel now. Bezel is very beautiful diamond set bezel. I believe it's about 48 diamonds in total all around the circumference of the bezel, and it is the fashion on the 18 karat yellow gold setting. You can see all around, very beautiful high polishing of that bezel all around. Matches very nicely with the shine of the diamonds as well. You can see there's a lot going on the face of the watch, so it's very, very eye-catching. Just for a frontal view, you can see that very nice high polish sort of bordering the diamonds around, working very nicely with the sunburst of the silver dial. But also as we move on to the case, we see a nice high polish on the tops and bottom lugs of the case. See, and it really helps frame in that dial as well. The case size of the watch is a 28mm case, as stated by Lady Datejust 28. So from my index finger to my thumb here, that's 28mm in diameter. And then we have a nice high polish on the side of the case as well, that matches very nicely with the high polish on the sides of the bracelet. On the other side of the case, same thing, nice high polish on the side of the case with high polish on the side of the bracelet. Of course, the steel used for the case and along with the bracelet as well is a 904L steel, meaning it's a in-house made steel by Rolex, which has additional shine and corrosion resistance. Moving on to the crown, we have the beautiful Rolex crown logo on the crown itself, on the 18 karat yellow gold crown. It is a twin lock double waterproofing system, so you can unwind it counterclockwise as shown into the standard position. In the standard position, you can wind the watch from a dead stop. About 15 to 20 clockwise turns is all you need to get the watch started once more. Pulling the crown out to the next position will allow you to adjust the date at the 3 o'clock position by going counterclockwise. Changes very instantaneously, very easily to adjust, as you can see. Pulling the crown out to the final position will stop the second hand. I'll stop it on the Rolex crown logo there. There we are. So that allows for precise timing, such as to an atomic clock online can set it down to exact seconds, while also being able to adjust the hands bidirectionally as shown. Pressing the crown back in, we'll start that second 10 once more, and always make sure to screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as it'll keep the watch water resistant for 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now, we have a beautiful Jubilee style bracelet. This is Rolex's 5-piece link style bracelet. It also is available in the Oyster bracelet, which is a sportier style 3-piece links. But it has very beautiful, it's going to be the same in terms of the polish for the links. So down the center we have a very, very beautiful high polish for the smaller 3-piece links, while the outer of the links are nicely satin finished or brushed steel to sort of have the nice contrast and bring a better shine out of it. And you can see that Jubilee pattern goes throughout the whole watch. It's very, very beautiful Jubilee patterning. We do have a little bit of tapering from the first leg of the bracelet downwards. So it has a nice proportional view overall. And then for the clasp is located right here by the Rolex crown logo. This is found on Jubilee style bracelets. This is called the concealed folding crown clasp, which opens up as so, revealing these nice high polished clasp blades with the Rolex name embossed on there on this high polished clasp blades. So very beautiful. So that's how the watch looks fully opened up. And then closed. You see that clasp is nice and hidden behind the bracelet. Of course, curvature of the clasp to fit very nicely against the underside of your wrist. So Jubilee bracelet, very, very beautiful. Moving on now to the movement. The movement is housed in this Oyster case backing. The movement that this watch runs is an in-house made perpetual mechanical self-winding movement. It is the caliber 2236 movement by Rolex, has a precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day. Of course, they like to brag about it by putting it on the 6 o'clock position of the dial. You can see it says the superlative chronometer officially certified. The functions of the movement simply are the hour, minute, and seconds hand with the instantaneous changing of the date with rapid setting, and also the stopping at the seconds hand as I've shown you with precise time setting. The power reserve of this watch, we're looking at a 55-hour power reserve, meaning you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it up on a Sunday evening, and it'll be keeping time just fine. So unfortunately, I won't be able to show you this watch on my wrist fully, as the standard sizing for this bracelet is for a lady's wrist, so about 6.5, I believe, instead of the Rolex standard 7.5 inches. Okay, but if you're interested in this watch or any other watch for the lowest possible price, check out our website, JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video. Click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.